Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Deriv to MT5. First, open the app. Once it opens, tap on the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Cashier. On the next screen, you'll see several options like deposit and withdrawal, but tap on Transfer. This will open the transfer screen, where you can move funds between your Deriv accounts. To transfer money to MT5, select your USD Deriv account in the From section and choose MT5 Deriv SVG in the To section. Make sure the account selection is correct before continuing. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer. Once you've entered the amount, tap on the Transfer button. You'll see a confirmation message showing that your funds have been successfully transferred. And that's it. You can now continue using your app with the transferred balance available in your MT5 account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.